You think you're hiking ready?
I think, yeah.
I think so too.
Let's get it.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, what we get in? What we get in? What we get in?
I don't know, because the last time I had one of their specialty drinks. I want to do a small latte with caramel warm.
Yeah, and then can I get a small can I get a small nitro? Just light on the sweet cream. Do anything for later? Nah, I'm good. You hungry?
I was actually thinking of food.
I mean, you look like you always be thinking of food. We gotta keep.
No, I gotta keep my ass fat. No, literally, yeah. I love to eat. I want to do just a bacon Gouda and egg sandwich.
Oh, let me do one of the double smoke. Yeah, that's all. Thank you. Why you had your bottle? You know you thirsty. Don't you?
I know I am.
Thirsty.
I know I am thirsty. I need to hydrate. Shit. Yeah, no, hopefully there's some hotties on this hike. I think I got it. Yeah, I'm just like, give it to me. Jelly's for like sweet stuff.
Sorry.
You're good.
I don't understand why they're sitting there.
On their phone.
Yes. I mean, me too, but still.
I know. I was like, I can't talk.
How am I
I can't talk.
you driving and...
Yeah.
But I'm just saying, at least I'm paying attention to the road.
You can, yeah, you can multitask.
Right, exactly. Okay, so.
But no, yeah, jelly is meant for sweet stuffs. Hot sauce, that's how I think of it. Like hot sauce is
already sweet. You want to put sweet stuff on sweet stuff?
Yeah, and then I like like meat savory, like, you know, like.
See, I'm thinking a little bit the opposite. I'm thinking, what if I put jelly on something that's salty? Ooh, and I put something salty on.
Sweet and salty go together, yeah.
Right.
Yeah, I'll try it. I'm not hating.
Okay, well, I'm gonna try the hot sauce. Let me see. Let's see. Okay, I'm putting it on mine. Don't show me putting it on mine. Just put it on there.
No, sriracha is disgusting though. This shit's like ketchup hot sauce. But it worked. It's still the spiciness.
It tastes like Taco Bell.
Taco Bell sauce on.
That's what it tastes like.
Yeah.
It tastes like I just put some Taco Bell sauce on my breakfast sandwich.
Yeah, yeah. See, I'm not picky at all. Like, I just want the spiciness of it. Speaking of spicy, have you ever heard of chamoy sauce? Like chamoy pickles or like chamoy gushers. Oh my gosh. So it's I believe it's a Mexican thing. Okay, anyways, it's like but it's like a sauce. It's like a spice that's made into a sauce, and you can like put it on your snacks. Like you can put it on a lot of different things.
Okay, snacks is a big category.
So like popcorn or like gushers, pickles. It's like the craziest combo, but it's so good. It's like spicy and sour. Like, yeah, I like crazy shit. Okay. Hold on. Wait for me. Oh shit, wait. You have a good view down there?
I do. The sky is very blue. Hold on. Wait. Wait for me.
I'm fast as fuck. You gotta keep up. God damn, we're really filming this booty today.
I know. Shake what your mama gave you.
Oh shit.
Oh God, no. Okay. Whew. Slow down. Slow it down. Whew. Okay. This is hard. We should have picked like
No, I'm loving this. I don't have this legs and ass for no reason.
Oh dang. Oh, that's what I need to be. That's what I've been doing wrong. That's why I got Pancake City back here. Dang. But some guys like these pancakes. They just put a little syrup on them. Whew. Hold on.
Look at the view.
Wow.
Yeah, it's so cool.
Whew.
Oh shit. Shaking my ass for the world to see.
Okay. Get up here. Okay. How tall are you?
5'5".
5'5", around 9.
Straight legs.
Nice. Oh my goodness, these are ginormous.
Well, this is what these sticks are for.
I need a stick.
Yeah, you wanna...
I need some stick real bad. I haven't had some stick in a while.
God, all these men with their shirts on.
I know, this should be illegal. It's like false advertising. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's like, oh, my money back. Whew. Whew.
Come on, I think we got a little longer.
A little longer. You wanna do more?
Yo, I'm about to have a blue pump after this.
Wow. Man. So I just do this. How often do I have to do this to get that?
I mean,
This is our new how-to tutorial.
no, for real, yeah. Walking up the steps is key. Getting this ass.
Okay, you have to make a DIY video for all us people at home that are trying to build that.
And eating good. Yeah, we covered that in the car. Yeah, and eating good.
Slow down. Slow down. Whew. Oh, goodness gracious. Does this mean I'm out of shape?
I mean, you still look good.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. You know what I'm saying? It's all those Chick-fil-A sandwiches.
That is hard to resist. Like parkour.
Wow.
Wait, do you
It's
know
like-
about that?
Parkour?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
like,
okay.
but you gotta jump off the wall. Like, real
Oh, like
parkour,
you
you be
should.
done
Yeah,
got on that
yeah.
chain link fence, did a backflip.
I just actually heard about that.
Wow, you like, that's like Laura Croft edition.
Does she do this?
Yeah, she does. In the first version,
We're gonna make our own version.
it's our own version. This is a new version.
All right, I think I'm good.
The new Laura Croft. Whew.
Holy shit, how much is... There you go.
I know, that's what I'm asking. This is like the longest hike I've ever been on.
No, this is cool though.
This is the a secret to your success. I'm not gonna thug it out because I'm like, yeah.
No.
Whew.
Okay,
Take a little breather.
let's enjoy the view.
Yeah. And what a view it is. Whew. Whew. What you got going on? First, so you know what I'm saying? I mean, I just think it's crazy that you've never done this before. How many times have you been to LA?
I've been coming out here for a while now. I feel like I'm all work. I don't enjoy all this beautiful stuff.
Okay, well, we're changing that starting today. We're gonna, oh, something big bug. We're changing that starting today. Today's gonna be a fun day. No work today.
Hell yeah.
So, I mean, this is fun, right? Right?
No, this is fun. I love
hard
it.
work fun. I mean, it feels like work to me, but yeah, I guess this is fun.
Yeah, no, this is great. Actually, I love hiking and stuff like that. So I feel active in a good way.
Well, you look active. And oh goodness. Okay, so apparently we're supposed to have a lock.
I know. I was wondering what this is about. Like, is it all couples up there, or
No, I think it's just like a thing, like a fad. Like, oh, put your lock up here, so you can come back and. Let's see. These. Oh, it's a heart. Okay, I think we got to be close. I mean,
it feels like it's starting to even out a little. I don't know if that means anything. Like we're at the top of the mountain.
yeah, exactly. Oh, look. I think we're here. I see the sign. I think I see the sign.
Yeah, my Wait, where was the sign?
You don't, are you kidding me? You don't see the sign? All right, what sign is?
Oh, there it is. Oh shit, okay, yay.
Oh, you like adventure. I'm almost gonna have you do like a, we're gonna do audition. We're gonna send this in as your audition tape
Oh
for the
my
next.
God. These are my tryouts, yeah.
Yeah. The next action hero. Do you think you'd be like an action hero?
I'm all for that, and you know what? Like, they're telling me, like, you need to cosplay, like, do those characters with, like, the really small ways.
I know, because you look like a cartoon character. You're built like a cartoon character. It's like, you don't even look real. It's like, what? Where do they do that at? That's not real life.
Yeah, no, I actually do want to try stuff like that.
She's like a walking, what do they call it? Like body makeup. You're like a walking BBL with a.
But this is all fucking southern ass.
Yeah.
Southern body, baby.
Yeah, this is like, it's Bart, they sent a picture of you like, make me look like this.
Oh, thank you.
I'm gonna take a break.
I know, let me get down.
I'm gonna take a break.
This fat ass a break.
I know, mine is good. I think mine's almost as big as yours now.
I see you, girl.
Whew. I mean, good enough.
Yeah. That guy has his shirt off over there.
I know, they all do. There's like teases. It's like, what a tease. Oh.
Shirt off.
Okay, just play it cool. Okay, it's like, you're looking thirsty. Play it cool, play it cool.
Yeah, let me just drink some water.
Okay. My friend said you look good, sorry.
Oh my God, stop!
I'm just playing.
I mean,
I'm joking.
You look great.
Thank you. How you doing?
Good. Yeah, I'm good. What's your name?
I'm Victor.
Victor.
Yeah.
Victor.
I'm Monica. I saw you checking me out. So I was just like, let me. And she been getting jealous because all the guys are on me. You know what I'm saying? So I was just like, oh dang.
Oh my goodness. What are you doing out here?
Just hanging out, enjoying the view.
Oh yeah.
That's what we've been doing too.
Yeah, right.
I'm just saying.
Yeah, for real.
What y'all got going on?
Well,
I mean, we're just walking right now.
we're just hiking.
Yeah, we're just hiking.
What's up?
What you got going on? You trying to make it to the top? We already been there, done that.
Oh, word. No, I was
Yeah.
gonna turn around. Honestly, I was gonna turn around right when I passed you. I ain't gonna lie.
Oh, what?
Yeah, I guess we're headed the same way now.
Oh, now we are? You was going up and now you're going down? Oh, you're taking a shortcut.
Yeah, I'm taking a shortcut.
Okay.
Well, we do know the way.
So see, I saw it. See, well, you checking out the shorts.
Yeah, I know.
They're
Just
kinda
checking out her
fire.
Fit, you know.
Well, yeah, just come with us, okay?
All
You that'd be fun. It's like a little Tomb Raider vibe.
right. Yeah, that's what it's giving.
Cave raiders raiding a mountain. Ooh.
Thing got some movement to it.
Oh my God. Wait, so do you live around here?
Yeah, I live not too far.
So yeah, okay. Oh, I forgot to tell you.
Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you that I saw a fruit stand that has like chamoy and tahini that I can put
Oh,
on
the
top of the
chamoy?
fruit. Yeah, you're trying that today. You're trying it. I'm gonna convert you.
Well, that's what I was saying. Remember I said
yeah.
I said spicy on sweet.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so you actually might like it. Yeah.
Okay, spicy on sweet.
Yeah, no,
sweet
for
on
real.
spicy.
Mm-hmm. What kind of fruit? Like,
And then we're gonna get some jelly on a
girl
sausage
bye.
biscuit.
Girl bye.
What?
I don't fucking know. What? No.
See? Okay. So you see this? You see this? I'm like, okay, yeah, give me the chamoy on the fruit, and you're like, I'm not gonna do the jelly on the sausage.
Okay, you do have a point. You do have a point.
Sweet on me is good. Oh, I'm just saying. I'm just saying.
Girl, you're gonna get me in trouble. Do you like pomegranate seeds?
I like pomegranate seeds, you know.
Oh yeah.
They have to be sweet though. I've had it both ways. Like, I feel like
I see.
they can be really great. Okay, is this the guy? Is this our guy?
Yeah.
I was gonna say it's
Oh,
not
I got
free.
tacos here. Okay, oh, mango. I want to do mango with chamoy and tahini.
Oh, what's the difference between chamoy and tahini?
I don't even. You're gonna have to see for yourself. It's sour.
I don't even know. I can't compare it to anything.
So good.
I can't compare it to anything. What would you compare it to? It's
Like sour candy, but like
yeah,
Yeah.
like some international sour candy or something.